In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Canva design into an editable Microsoft Word document. By the end, you'll take a design you created in Canva and turn it into a .docx file you can edit and share in Word without needing any extra software. First, open Canva in your browser and sign in. Navigate to the design you want to convert. Take a moment to give it a final review. Check your text, images, and layout, because what you export is what Word will try to reconstruct. When you're ready, click the Share button in the top right, then choose Download. In the File Type options, select PDF Standard if you want a smaller file that's great for general use, or choose PDF Print if you need higher quality, especially for image-heavy designs or if you're concerned about sharpness. Just remember, PDF Print will create a larger file. Once you've made your choice, click Download and let Canva prepare the file. Your browser will save it, typically in your Downloads folder, unless you've set a different location. It can help to rename the file so it's easy to find. Now, open Microsoft Word. Go to File, then Open, and click Browse. Locate the PDF you just downloaded from Canva and select it. Word will display a message letting you know it's going to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Confirm to proceed. Depending on the complexity of your design and the size of the file, this may take a moment. Once it opens, you'll have an editable version of your Canva design in Word. Keep in mind that complex layouts, custom fonts, and layered graphics may shift slightly during conversion. If a font used in Canva isn't available on your computer, Word may substitute it, so look closely at headings, spacing, and line breaks. This is a good time to tidy up text alignment, check images and shapes, and adjust margins or page breaks if anything looks off. Edit your content as needed. Update text, swap images, or make layout tweaks so the document works in a Word environment. When you're satisfied, go to File, choose Save As, pick your folder, and change the format to Word document with the .docx extension. Give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. That's it. You've exported your Canva design as a PDF, converted it in Word, made your edits, and saved it as a .docx. Your Canva design is now fully usable as a Word document,